Pepsi, c'est pour avec lui, il a tourné par terre.
So many black people.
Lui,
I turn and I see a black person. Turn, I see a black person.
non, ben, il perd le go.
I am in Marseille. It's our first day here. We were actually supposed to arrive here on Thursday, but we only arrived last night. And today is a very beautiful day. It's hot, but I'm not complaining. I'm complaining a little bit, but not too much, because I would take this over the cold any day. But yeah, we're out and about. Your girl cannot speak French to save her life. So this would have been a mission if I wasn't with someone who can speak French. Even ordering food is a bit of an issue. The menus aren't French, but also they struggle to speak English, so bit of a mission. But yeah, we're gonna explore a little bit, go around, see what the city is about. The thing that has been so surprising and so refreshing is how diverse this place is. Out of all the European places I've been so far, it's the most diverse. And like, I don't stick out like a sore thumb. Like in most places, I'm usually the only black person there, but not just the only black person, but the only person of color. Like not even Indian yana, not even Middle Eastern yana in some of these places. And here you see all of the colors. It's just like Joburg, even in how dirty it is. It's just like Joburg. So I feel right at home. We're gonna go to a few like touristic places, check it out, just walk around for a while. I'm already tired of walking, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna be so fit at the end of this trip. My Airbnb that I'm staying at is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. I'll show you guys later. But getting there, checking in last night, there was so much drama. Like it was such a mission. It was like literally like the Amazing Race. First of all, we get to the Airbnb and we don't have the key, and we realize the message literally says you have to pick up the key. They give you a code. You have to pick up the key at a relay point. What the fuck is even a relay point? It was in another hotel, like a few blocks away. We were getting lost, but anyway, it was just frustrating. So you get there to another hotel, give them the code, they give you the key, drive back to the Airbnb, check in, and then more drama unfolded. We had so much luggage, especially Miguel's bags, and there's no lifts. We had to get to the 5th floor without a lift, and poor guy had to carry my luggage all those flights of stairs. Then we get inside and there's no air conditioning, and we were very specific on booking.com. We checked it has to be a place that has air conditioning. Dololo, there wasn't any of that, but it's really aesthetically, it's really cute. It's very well considered. They did a great job, but I wouldn't stay there again. And we've actually agreed that, especially in places like France and stuff, we have to stay in a hotel because this Airbnb life, it's not cute. Anyway, I'm about to have lunch now, so let's get into this lunch and let's get into our Dora the Explorer era. Guys, this salad looks so good. Let's do a taste test. But I'm so happy that I was convinced to get the octopus salad because, wow, it looks so good. It's very refreshing.
What?
So good. There's only two things that I would have pulled back on. Too much onion and I think the vinaigrette is a bit on the stronger side.
Okay. You get rid of...
Melon is a really good touch because just that burst of sweetness, but it's also not too sweet. That is the salad of my dreams. This is also good. I just need to get used to like the strength of the vinaigrette. But I also love how they're not shy with like the octopus. It's 2 kilos of octopus. I was expecting like a sprinkle of octopus. I don't really have much to say. I just want to tell you guys that life is good. It's been such a blissful day. Let's walk around, see which parts inspires us the most. I was trying to practice how to order in French.
Okay, just to
Parfait. So, ask me again.
Alors, qu'est-ce que vous voulez manger?
Oui, le blanc, le cordon bleu
Cordon bleu?
et dorada au pot.
Okay.
Did I do that right?
Easy. Maybe your French is better than my English. Maybe. Tell me. Allez, come on. Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? Oh, in Spanish, you like.
Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Spanish? In Spanish? Gracias.
Oh yeah, I know that one.
Yes.
It's called Marseille. It's the Marseille. As it's actually 9 p.m. in France. I can't get over these 10 p.m. sunsets. Crazy business. This morning was very chaotic, and unfortunately I wasn't able to film the Airbnb tour as I promised. Checking out of the Airbnb was as messy as checking in. At this point it was already midday and I hadn't eaten, so my energy levels were literally in the basement. But yeah, that's part of travel, right? Not every moment is pretty, but honestly it makes the good parts feel even better. And even though Marseille was such a quick stop, I loved it. I love the energy, I love the views, and now we're heading off to the next stop and I'm so ready for the beach. My bikini's already on because as soon as we get there it's straight into the water. Thank you for hanging out with me on this little 24 hours in Marseille.